Hi there. Hey, welcome back to another BobBlast. I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is all about the importance of a sketchbook and what it's used for. You saw me here starting off right here in my sketchbook. The sketchbook is a great tool to have. You know, you can get all the things out of your head. I do it for writing, I do my drawings, as you can see right here. Drawings, sketching, when I'm on location, using colored pencils. I use my sketchbook basically as my toolbox of all my ideas. That way I don't have to keep it all up in here. Not that much left anyway. And so it's one of the best parts about a sketchbook is going back to old sketchbooks and looking at all the ideas that you had before. So, oh, that was a good idea. I also use my sketchbook as a scrapbook. All the ideas that I had before, some ideas of paintings I've done before too. I mean, I really use this sketchbook. I have about 100 of them. The best part is make sure they're all spiral bound. That's kind of a nice thing to do too, right? So you can fold it back on yourself. And also on the cover, make sure you paint on the covers. That way you know it's yours. Otherwise they all look the same. Hey, let me get started and show you the other things. So after 25 years of painting, look at all some these sketchbooks, at least some of them anyway, different sizes. Really important that you get them to be spiral bound, you know, so it's easy to open up on itself, right? And do some sketches. The other good thing about sketchbooks is that make sure that the paper is really good. Look, here's an old one, probably about 25 years old. Look at my sketches, watercolors, scraping and scratching. I like some of my early ideas. Writing all my notes. Good paper, experimentation. Over here, look at this, Cheap Joe's American Journeys paper. I love it because it takes a beating. But really good paper. But writing, good for writing with my pencils. I even do paintings because it's really good paper. That's the American Journey sketches, sketch paper, spiral bound. And again, paint on the cover. That way you know it's yours. Write notes. Now here's one that's completely falling apart, but it's really old, but I love it. And I use it more like a scrapbook. So as you can see, we've got drawings in here, photographs, some of my early paintings, some of my drawings, just as reminders. So it's a scrapbook. Lots of loose pieces of paper. These are the things that I use all the time. Oh my gosh, here's a brand new one. Whoa, look, even on the inside, I started drawing and sketching. This is something new for me, kind of a tan paper. I like it. I'm doing these little sketches. It's kind of a nice way of just simmering down, and now here come my notes. I can't stop writing. Alrighty, get a sketchbook and have many of them. Now, behind me, you'll see all the paintings that actually result from all this sketching all the time. You've got to do this, got to draw out all your ideas, and then when it comes time to actually do the paintings, these are some of the ones from my workshop. You'll be able to know how to get the colors, the design, the figurative pieces, all the abstract. Welcome to one of my workshops. We do everything. You're going to learn and paint a lot in a Bob Burridge workshop. Hey, thanks for watching this one. I hope you have your sketchbooks out and write some more notes to yourself. And it's for your eyes only. Don't let anybody read your sketchbooks. It's your private space. Hey, I'll see you on the next BobBlast. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hi, I want to thank all you artists that have already posted your paintings of Let's Dance in the virtual exhibit, seen all over the world. Isn't that exciting? So there's still time for you to still post some of your images, you know, at the Burridge Studio. And so remember, it's all about the excitement of dance. It could be one person, it could be two people dancing, it could be a community dancing. It could be upside down all over the place. It's called dance. It's a celebration, isn't it? It's about time. So I think we artists isolated in our studios or wherever you are, let's dance and post those images. I cannot wait to see them. It's so exciting to see them. Hey, I'll see you on the next BobBlast.